Hi guys, welcome to Dine. Today I'm gonna show you how to prepare dry chana masala. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss any delicious updates. So let's begin. At first, soak 500 grams black chickpeas in water for about 7 to 8 hours or overnight. Put them on pressure cooker. After soaking, the black chickpeas will rise in size. Take 2 big diced potatoes and add to the black chickpeas. Then fill water up to the level of chickpeas and potatoes. Add 2 teaspoons salt and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix them and close the lid. And let it boil until 2 whistles. Now take those boiled potatoes, 4 diced tomatoes, three chopped onions, some chopped coriander leaves, four chopped green chilies, 3 to 4 chopped garlic cloves, and 500 grams boiled black chickpeas. Saute some red chilies for adding flavor to chana masala. And keep them aside. Turn the gas on medium flame. To the same oil add the garlic cloves, some cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, then add the chopped onion. Stir them and add the chopped chilies. Then add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon coriander powder, 2.5 teaspoon cumin powder and 2 teaspoon ginger paste. Add a little bit water and stir it. After a while, add half of the tomatoes and add 2 tablespoons water. Then add half teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon roasted cumin seed powder. Stir them well. And add 1.5 teaspoon salt. After 5 to 6 minutes, add the boiled black chickpeas. Then add boiled potatoes and mix them. Add 3 green chilies. Add rest of the tomatoes and chopped coriander leaves. Cover it for a while and then serve it. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Share this with your friends and family. Definitely try this delicious recipe and give your feedbacks in the comment section below. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.